Welcome to Lace Up with a Pop-Up Shoe. Today we're using a book by DK Publishing, which is great for fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, sequencing, counting, sets, matching, patterns, sight words, shoe tying, you name it. There's all kinds of ways you can tie this activity in to the goals that you're running with the person that you work with. So what we have is the book, and inside the book we have a shoelace. But before you start with the lacing activity, the first thing to do is to go ahead and familiarize yourself with the book in the first place. So you talk about lacing. With your finger, you and your learner are going to go, this is up and this is down. Up and down. Talk about how that lacing is going to take place. You'll also talk about what crisscross is. Crisscross patterns. Those look like X's. Go through the whole book, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then talk about if you lace from 1 to 2 and 3 to 4, your pattern will look like that. Now, you may have a person that you can go through the whole book first, or it may be that you're going to want to just do this page first before you go on to the next page. So we're going to go ahead and go through the whole book first, but you can use it however you wish, or however it's better. This is one you're going to talk about sports. Again, talk about sports, if your person likes sports, colors, equipment, whatever it is they use in the sports. Also, the main idea, lacing 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to go through that whole book doing that again, going back and forth, identifying the numbers. You're starting at 1, going to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then goal. All kinds of concepts can be taught from the sports aspect of it just to the basic lacing. Again, we have a necklace. We're going to start. There's no numbers on this one. The concept right here is just start to finish. The next page we've got pairs. Now this is going to get a little bit more difficult depending on who you're working with. You may not even get to this piece. You may just stick with lacing, but you can talk about the matching pairs, how the different beads match and look the same. Some beautiful colors involved. Talk about the colors. Go shopping. Go to a store where you can buy these beads or you see them being purchased so that you can actually touch and feel and see what they're working on. Loop the troops. Here we have some little soldiers. Now we're going to go talking about parades, uniforms. Again, another whole concept that you can use this book for. But again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the next page, on Count the Soldiers, this is a great way to talk about sets. You don't have numbers on this page. What you have are representative sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you will be going with your person, show me the set that has 1. Let's look at for the set that has 2. Do you have a set, see a set that has 3? 1, 2, 3. Talk about marching. Tie the top. Hey, cowboys. Lots and lots of conversations can take place about cowboys. Language can be used in all kinds of wonderful ways. Looking at patterns. What does this pattern look like? Geez, that looks like a cow. What is that? It's a badge. Who wears a badge? Talk about people in your community that wear badges. And again, back to lacing. You've got your lacing going here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeehaw! The next page is which stitch is which. Matching, again, this is another concept. It's a big step out there. You have to talk about those pictures of what goes with what. A broom with a witch's hat. A sword with a pirate. Clown shoes with a clown hat. A wand with a princess tiara. Again, great ways to match, sewing together the concepts on what goes with what. This book goes through different boundaries of just your really basic learner and concepts that are a lot more involved. stitch a scarf. Again, you're zigzagging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when you're done with that, you hit 9 and 10. Congratulations, you are a lacing pro. Once your learner has gotten this far on the lacing, he or she might be ready to start working on lacing the shoe. And that is, it folds right in. And then you will start with them, before you get to the shoe part, just taking your thread, your shoelace, and assisting them coming up and then bringing it down. And again up, following those arrows, and then down. Lots of colors, lots of fun. The directions are here. Have fun with Lace Up a Pop-Up Shoe.